So in a comedy of errors, I was cleaning my neighbor's weeds. Oh, left my pads out here. I'm glad I came back. And I did it good. I got quite a ways. A few hours. Got to pick up my knee pads. But then, yeah, that just hurt. Then I took and came to dump a bucket and accidentally dumped it in the recycling instead of there. So when I came to take it out, I put the lid up, bent down, getting it all. My glasses fell into the can. Then when my glasses fell into the can, I bent over it to reach down to the bottom to get them, and something popped in my rib. Comedy of errors. Anyway, it's a good thing I'm not doing a good deed for anybody, and that it's just for my own selfish purpose I do that. Just like if you look through here, my neighbor moved all that crap right there. He didn't move it. I moved it. I asked to move it, and he helped along with a friend of his. So let's make lemonade, because that's what we got to do.